Ki sangot ki MLA jangka parti Indian National Congress ki bala leit ban penya so bat jingkyrshan ya ka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance klem ka jingtip jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ne jangka All India Congress Committee ki la ban sha sospon ya ka nila pen pau President jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala habaya keren bikilat pathai kubor Hadian bala wai ka jingelang jangka State Executive Committee ula ong baka High Command jangka Congress kam shimla ngutna satya ya ka rajin kini ki sangut ki MLA ka parti ki bala leit ben penyeso syaka sorkar MDA ka badan lang bar ke BJP uba pala ula ong baka jing penshitom ya ki tigi sangut ki MLA kanum dei hapo na kaliang jung rei ka rai kan dei bet na ka high command ka parti bar kini ki sangut ki la ban sha sospon da ka AICC.
In the meeting there was a few leaders who suggest that we should take a strong action against the MLA. We cannot compromise our ideology. There are also a few leaders, because Rapsang also was there, Meralbon was there. They also suggest that give them time for some time. There are also a few leaders who said that I think it's time for the Congress to think properly how to evolve with whom we work. But Meral has said that if we can work together in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena, why not working here? So like that, different views. But as soon as I complete my press conference here, I will send the letters of different suggestions to Delhi. It's out of my jurisdiction to take action against the CLP and MLAs. That action will be taken by the High Command. So the action will be taken by High Command after we give the reports. So definitely maybe at night I'll get the direction. But maybe tomorrow I'll request Panchkain Sim and Baroni to give a press briefing whatever the outcome of the sanctions given by the High Command. But tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discuss with them now over phone. So definitely they'll take an action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. So likely, I think the MLAs may be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say. The MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled, because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government. So these are the few things which we have had a meeting and had a discuss in short with the High Command already, because they are standby waiting for me to talk to them after the meeting. I think it's wrong to say that Shiv Sena is a pro-Hindu, is a pro-Muslim. The Congress is not pro-Hindu or pro-Muslim or pro-Christian. The Congress is pure human being. The Congress is pro the constitutions. So we are ready to work. The difference is that the Congress in Maharashtra, before they joined the government, they got a sanction from the High Command. There was a debate, there was a discussions. Whereas here, the CLP did not get the proper sanction. The High Command were not consulted. The MPCC was not consulted. So I think that is the difference between Maharashtra and Meghalaya. There was a decision last time that they should support on few things, but that time also did not take decisions, but the parties thought that okay, for the inclusion of the Khasi language and Garo language in the 8th schedule, for the participating in the committee for the solution of the boundaries, for the ILPs, we are ready to do that, because that has been also agreed and resolved in the floor of the House in the Assembly by successive governments. So there's no problem. But the present one is not that. The present one is different. So there's no link between that issue base and now. See, the Congress will not depend on the leaders only. The Congress, we have seen in many areas, Congress, we have no MLAs, but the workers are there. But Meghalaya, I think, is different. Meghalaya, as on today, you have seen many of our leaders, young leaders have come and joined the party. I'm very confident. Most of these people who left, the mandate was given to them as Congress. The mandate was not given as individual. The mandate was given to them not only on the issue-based support. The mandate was given to them as Congress. The Congress workers, they have sweat, they work day and night, they lost their sleep, many of them even injured, hurt, and to make all the leaders win. But I feel that be it now or be it before, our leaders has betrayed the party workers, our leaders have betrayed the Congress. Therefore, the Congress, we have decided today, many of our youth leaders have said, we will not betray the party, we will not surrender the ideology with the Congress stands, the identity with the Congress always there. We'll fight, we'll work with courage, and we should not think only of 1 or 2 MLAs. Because the 5 MLAs who have given us support to the present government is for 5 constituencies. But we have also to look about the 55 constituencies which are going to fight elections. So we cannot only save the 5 MLAs and then we surrender the entire 55 seats. So every issues which we are taking cost us, not only in Meghalaya, we are a national party, it costs us in Goa, it costs us in UP, it costs us everywhere. So our stand as a national party, it should be nationally, it cannot be constituency-wise, it cannot be individual. That is mainly our stand. Previous and now also, they have betrayed the workers or the Congress workers. The mandate was given to them with the sweats, hard work of the party workers, so they left, they have betrayed the party, they betrayed the workers.
So how confident are you?
I am very, very confident, sir.
Because from 21 to 21 seats, no, it's new.
No, this doesn't happen only to me. It happens to, I never wanted to be a president of the party. It's these MLAs who went and called we should change the president. I was one of the leaders who said that why should we keep on changing, but these MLAs said no, we should change, and they went and told me you should come. So once I face it, I will not surrender. I face it at any cost. It's not the time for me to say I'll resign or I'll face it till the end, till 2023. The result we'll see in 23, whether we lose or not, whether the public are with us or not. But honestly, genuinely, we'll fight elections, and we are not ready to surrender. I'm not ready to surrender. I'm not ready to succumb under the ill device of the BJP. Many of our leaders, many of our MLAs, many of our workers also has been succumbed to the pressure and to the design of the BJP. So me and few of my friends, even the youth presidents, youth general secretaries, vice president, we are ready to face it till we see what the outcome of the election 2023. No, I met the MLAs individually. I talked to all of MLAs individually also. So I told them, because the High Command trusted me, and the individual MLAs also, if you are Meral, Kongam, anybody, they had a talk with our High Command. They have consistently had a talk with them. But, after all, MLAs are leaders. The High Command also are leaders. We are all leaders on our own way. So convincing somebody is not by your rank and file. Convincing somebody also, it's depend on individuals, an individual's interest also. Definitely, when they left without consulting us, it's not a question of infighting. Maybe they have their own interest, they have their own, own plan, own vision. So I don't think that, I was talking to Madam Amprin yesterday also, and she told me, sir, we cannot afford to to stay in the opposition. That's the main reasons. We don't have a problem whether they fight or not. We are so not fools. We also know in advance who is who, what is what. So we are doing our ground, we prepare our ground. Honestly, I know who is going to fight from us, who is not going to fight from us. So we should not bother about that, because we have things ready, we prepared for that. Not only me, we have a team who keep on talking, and then we are ready for that. No, I think that I cannot answer to you, because 17 are left. The best reasons why they left is theirs. But as far as I am concerned as a president, whenever we have a meeting, they never complained, neither to me or to any of us, that there's something wrong with the party or something wrong with us, because we just joined, and whatever decisions we did, be it office bearers, be it anything, we collectively taken the decisions. So I don't think that I'm competent to answer, because they are the people who left. Like Mukul left, he gave his own statement. Madam Amprin left, they could give her own statement. I think that will answer you. Definitely after our leaders, people will definitely, after so many of them, I accept the responsibility, maybe a failure on my part. But like I've told you, no one is perfect, but in case I fail, they should have told me, they should have said before, at least you have done this is wrong. Regarding the consultations which you have said, you know, the consultations, there's no major decision which we have taken so far, except the office bearers of the party for the state executive members. So the state executive members are like the block presidents, the district presidents, the vice presidents, and the chairman of different committees. All the districts, their own district have chosen the president, not me. All the blocks, the block have chosen the president, not me. All the vice presidents, it is the committee. We had a committee on 15th of last month when everybody attended, Kongampirin also attended, Roni, everybody attended. It's them who suggested that who should be the office bearers. So to say that I've taken a decision alone, I think it is wrong. There's no decision. I think they will witness. There's no decision which I've taken alone so far. Rather, I used to put my friends in the front and me in the back, whatever they say. They think that AICC has weakened, but AICC never weakened. People left the party, that's been that AICC has weakened. Ideology are strong. As on today, you see all over India, people look towards Congress, be it India, be it here also. But the main reasons, I think, I can confidently say that the ill-gotten money which they get from the roadside, from the coal, from the cow, from the chips, from everything has spilled towards politicians. I'm afraid that it'll split towards the churches, towards the villages, and also will become like a Nagaland. The individual politicians will be very rich, and whereas the state will be poor. If you go to Nagaland as on today, if you see that, election will not be fought based on ideology, will not be fought based on issues, but I'm sorry to say, not only example Nagaland, other states, many other areas also, so it is based on how much money you are spending. So I'm sorry to say that Meghalaya, we never had that problem. This will be the first time when you see that, example at NPP, if they go to the ground, grassroots, they want to organize, nobody will be with them to organize. Trinamool is trying to organize, nobody is joining them easily. So all these parties, if they're trying to organize, nobody will join them. That's why they're trying to buy, or they try to lure the MLA so that they have a base on the ground. I think that's one of the main reasons why they target the MLAs, the MDCs, our district presidents. They have approached so many of our people also. And definitely, it may not be, it is monetary plus a personal gain. Like I want to win only in my constituency, I take decision. But whatever decision you're taking in your constituency, it affects the other constituencies also. If we stay in opposition, we'll not get schemes, we'll not get this, we'll not get that. That's why there's no reasons. So definitely whatever action taken, I may not be there, whatever action taken after some time, maybe in the night, if I get it in time, then I'll send it across to you. Otherwise, my colleagues, spokespersons will give you a brief. We have a constitution, we have rules when you act. You see, the Congress is a disciplined party and it's a national party. Whatever decision, we cannot take a decision here, something, there, the other thing. Whatever decision, it has to go through power. Then the national leaders has to know. The state leaders has to know. I never interfere with the CLP. After I became a president, I never said no to any decision taken by the CLP. So I think it's a system, it's a process that they have, gone at their own way without recognizing the party. You see the statement which they have given also, many of the statements we given also, they said we don't bother about the party, we only think about our constituency, we only think about our people. So that may not go well with the rest of the 60 constituencies of with the system of our party, national party, as a Congress as a national party. I think it becomes individual interest rather than the party's interest. That's why I've said in Nagaland also same, here also same. And all this design and everything, control and everything by the BJP only. Otherwise, why you say that this present state government, they have recommended for ILP and it's not being implemented? Because the BJP is there controlling them. So many things they have recommended from here and their BJP is not taking. That means the BJP is controlling them.